In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your object view in Hubspot. Customizing your object view allows you to tailor your workspace to better fit your needs and optimize your workflow. Let's dive in and make your HubSpot experience more efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar with how to get there, simply open your web browser and type in the address bar www.hubspot.com. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you'll see a variety of options and resources available to you. Next, look for the Login button, which is usually located at the top right of the screen. Click it to access the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, your username or email, and your password. If you're having trouble remembering your login details, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset them. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. Now that you're on your HubSpot home, it's time to access the settings. Look towards the upper part of the screen and find the settings icon, which typically appears as a gear symbol. Click on it, and this will take you to a menu with various options related to your account settings and preferences. This is the section where you can make adjustments that impact how you interact with HubSpot. Within the settings menu, find the option labeled Object Library. This library is a central location where you can manage and customize the different objects you use in HubSpot, such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Click on Object Library to proceed. Once you are inside the object library, you'll see a list of all the standard and custom objects available to your account. This is where the real customization happens. You can click on an object to view or edit its properties, layout, and associated settings. Customizing these elements can help streamline your tasks and ensure that the most relevant information is easily accessible. While exploring this area, take the time to review each object's settings and think about how you can arrange them to best serve your team's needs. For instance, you might want to emphasize certain data fields or rearrange the order in which information is displayed. The more personalized your object view, the more effective your HubSpot usage will become. And there you have it, a quick and thorough guide on how to customize your object view in HubSpot. By following these steps, you're better equipped to tailor the platform to suit your business operations, enhancing overall productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy customizing!